So today we are going to do a procedure of hand rejuvenation. We are going to inject what is known as a hyaluronic acid dermal filler along with skin boosters, which is nothing but viscoderm. So hand as we age can also show signs of aging. So face and neck gets very easily seen, and we kind of tend to focus more on the aging changes on the skin, on the face and the neck, but we tend to ignore the changes that happen on the hands. So when you see the hands, typically due to the aging, there is formation of wrinkles as well as folds that are prominent on the fingers as well as along the dorsum of the hand, and there is also loss of volume that is seen as we age because the hands are being used again and again. There is loss of volume that is typically seen on the dorsum of the hand. So when you see specifically, these are the areas where she has lost volume of fat pad that is present between the dorsal muscles.